In this video, we are going to look at how to find the determinant of a 4 by 4 matrix, just like this one. So how can you find the determinant of this? What you're going to do is you're going to use the same approach, just like finding one for a 3 by 3 matrix, where we use minors, okay? So we are going to first of all consider the top row, 1, 0, 4, and -6. So this would be equals to, first of all, we are looking at +1. Then when you cancel out 1 and the column for 1 and the row for 1, these would be the minors left. So 1 times the determinant of the minors, which is 5, 2, 1, 0, 3, -2, and 3, 5, 3. Then minus, the next one is 0. 0 times its minus, when you cancel the column for 0 and row, you are left with 2, -1, 2, then 0, 3, -2, then 3, 5, 3. Okay, then so this is plus, this is minus, then plus. Now we are looking at 4 times the determinant of its minus. When you cancel out that column for 4 and row, you'll be left with 2, -1, 2, 5, 2, 1, and 3, 5, 3. Okay, so this is plus, minus, plus, then the last one is minus. So it would be minus, but since it's negative, so it would be minus -6, then times it's minus. So when you cancel this line and this line, you'd be left with 2, -1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 0, 3, -2. Okay, so that's the approach or the formula we are going to use. So the next task is to find these determinants here. This determinant, but even if we don't find this one, since we already know that it will multiply to 0, so we actually don't need to find the determinant of this, because even if we get the answer, we shall multiply it to 0 and still get 0. So we're going to find the determinant of this, and determinant of this one. So let's start with this one here. So determinant of 5, 2, 1, 0, 3, -2, 3, 5, 3. This would be equals to, first you're going to look at consider the rows. The first row, 5, 0, 3. So looking at 5, consider 5, then determinant of its minus, which is 3, -2, 5, 3, then minus 0 times determinant of 2, 1, 5, 3, then plus 3 times determinant of its minus 2, 1, 3, -2. So this would be equals to 5, then determinant of this would be 3 times 3 minus -2 times 5, then minus 0 times 2 times 3 minus 1 times 5, then plus 3 into 2 times -2 minus 1 times 3. This is equals to 5 into, this is 9, negative times, so this is minus 2 times 5 is -10. So negative times negative is positive, so it's plus 10. Then this multiplies, so it's just 0. Then plus 3 times 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, minus 1 times 3 is 3. So this is equals to 5 into, this is 19, minus 0, plus 3 into, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. This gives us 95 minus 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. So minus 21, which gives us answer of 74. Okay, so now we've so far found the determinant of this first one. We've said this one we are not going to bother finding it since it will multiply to 0. So let's now find this determinant here. Okay, so the determinant of 2, negative 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3 would be equals to, consider first 2, so 2 times the determinant of the minus, which is 2, 1, 5, 3, then minus 5 times determinant of its minus, negative 1, 2, 5, 3, then plus 3 times determinant of its minus, negative 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, this would be equals to 2 into 2 times 3 minus 1 times 5 minus 5 into negative 1 times 3 minus 2 times 5 plus 3 into negative 1 times 1 minus 2 times 2. This is equals to 2 into, this is 6 minus 5 minus 5 into, this is negative 3, this is minus 10, plus 3 into, this is negative 1 minus 4. So this would be equals to 2 times 6 minus 1 is 1, so 6 minus 5 is 1, then minus 5 into minus 3 minus 10 is minus 13, plus 3 into minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So this is equals to, this is 2 minus 5 times negative 13 is negative 65, plus 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, which would be 2 plus 65 minus 15, which gives us 52. So we found for the first and the third. Now let's find for the fourth one, which was determinant of 2, negative 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 0, 3, negative 2. This would be equals to, consider 2, so this would be its minus 2 times determinant of 2, 1, 3, negative 2, minus 5 times determinant of negative 1, 2, 3, negative 2, then plus 0 times determinant of negative 1, 2, 2, 1. So this would be equals to 2 into 2 times negative 2 minus 1 times 3 minus 5 into negative 1 times negative 2 minus 2 times 3, then plus, this is just 0 since it will multiply to 0. Okay, so this is equals to 2 into, this would be negative 4 minus 3 minus 5 into, this is positive 2. Okay, positive 2 minus 6, then that is plus 0. Then this would be equals to 2 times, this gives negative 7 minus 5 into this negative 4, which is equals to, this gives us negative 14 minus 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Okay, which gives us negative 14 plus 20, leaving us with 6. So substituting these values back here, so 1 times the value we've got minus 0 plus 4 times the value we've got minus negative 6 times the value we have got. Okay, so the determinant will be equals to 1 times the first determinant was 74, then minus 0 plus 4 times, we got the second one as 52, then minus negative 6 into this last one, which is 6. Okay, so this would be equals to, this times this is 74 minus 0 plus 4 times 52 is 208. Then this is negative, negative, so it becomes positive. 6 times 6 is 36, which is equals to 318. So this is the determinant of this 4 by 4 matrix here. Hope you've picked something. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Like, comment, and share your thoughts about this video. Let's meet in the next one. Kindly subscribe.